Hey guys, and welcome. Here I'm going to be demoing the Diablo III Armory iPhone application, which is available for only iPhone and iPod Touch right now. It's a cooperation between me and Sixen, and I guess I should mention that it is a fan-made application. It's not made by Blizzard. You can see our little icon here, so I'm just going to click on it. And it basically has three features right now, which, as you can see here, we have a news feed from diablofans.com. We have game information, which is pretty broad and pretty general, but we may be updating that in the future, and a classes section, which is where the meat of this app is right now. And we have some other features coming soon, possibly, and a little ad bar down there. But if I click on news, I'll showcase the first feature here, which is a built-in news feed from diablofans.com, since this is a participation between me and Sixen. So you can see I can click on the news here, and it's all been formatted nicely and got images still, and you can even play Forrest's videos if they're in the news and stuff like that, and you can view it in Safari, and it's pretty much all good to go. So it's a nice little news feed to follow latest Diablo news. And then the game information tab here, pretty basic. I mean, it's just people finding this app. They might want to figure out some stuff about Diablo 3, so just some cool stuff that I've compiled from the website, and the stuff that we know from Sixen's FAQ that he had on the old Battle.net forums and stuff. Pretty simple. And now the coolest part is the classes. So you can see you can click on the classes here and view them, and on the Retina displays for iPhone 4, they'll actually animate and loop on a movement, which is really cool. Not on the simulator here, but yeah, so I'll just choose the Demon Hunter. You can click it again or click on class info. And you get a little description here for the Demon Hunter, some pictures you can switch between, and the next two coolest features that pretty much I think are the core part of this app is the skills list, so you can see all the skills. And a tip right away here is that you can swipe to see the rune skills, the runestones of skills, I guess. So if I close that tip and I swipe on Impale here, I can see what are the runestone effects for Impale. I can close that and sort of go through all of the skills, or switch to passive skills and view those, and keep viewing these and view other runestone effects, etc. And from here I can go to the skill calculator, or I can go back and go to the skill calculator from here. And this is pretty much a direct iPhone version of the website version of the skill calculator that Blizzard has. So I've ported it all and made it all custom just for the iPhone with Sixen. So as you can see, you can click on a skill and you can go through and choose whatever skill you want and for that slot. And if you want to cancel, you can go back or close it. And then when you choose it, click it again and it's chosen, and then you can see that the rune thing lights up and you can choose a rune for it. I'm going to choose this one, and you can go to the next one and choose another skill, and you can see that this one's been turned gold because it's already been chosen, and you could overwrite it if you wanted to. And then you can choose passives and etc. and make your build. And then when you're done making your build, you can hit this button up here and you can reset it, or you can save it. I'm going to save this and call it Killer Build, which is a great name for any build. And then now if I go in here and load build, I can actually see it there, and I can load it or delete it, etc. And then the last thing you can do in here is really cool, is you can, and this may be out of date as I'm even saying this, but you can get the bnet URL. So this is it directly encoded from their website, gets the Battle.net version, so I can copy this, or I can go view it right away, and this will take you into Safari, and you can check that your build actually worked on the actual Diablo 3 site, so you can share it with a friend. It should show up in a second here, because obviously this skill calculator is a lot harder to use on your iPhone, so hence the point of my application, right? Or our application for this thing. You can go back to the Diablo Armory now and copy it and email it to someone or whatever, and you can pretty much just play around with the calculator. And that's pretty much the features of this app. I mean, you can switch between the classes, and like I said, we hope to be having a world section coming soon, and maybe items in the future, and incorporating like a gear calculator, but that's going to take a lot more work, so that's more in the far future. But anyways, that's sort of a demo of this app, and that's all I wanted to say, really. It's a cool app, and definitely check it out. It is free on the App Store. Just search for the Diablo 3 Armory or Diablo Armory. I think we've got a bunch of tags for it, so it's good to go. And thanks for watching if you watched all the way through, and any feedback, bugs, or comments are appreciated. You can email us. I believe our contact email for the app is onetwosixen@gmail.com. So that would be ideal if you could email there. But yeah, we just want to keep it up to date and just a really cool app that people can use. So thanks for watching.